Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see how to fix 5G standalone is unavailable due to insufficient SIM security error in iPhone. Apple released iOS 16.2 a week ago with tons of bug fixes, couple of new features which we have already covered in our channel. And for users from India, they now can see the 5G feature under mobile data options in compatible iPhone models like iPhone 12 and above models, which has the 5G feature. And when you navigate to settings, mobile data, and if you're using dual SIM, you need to navigate within that specific SIM, and then mobile data options, voice and data. You can see all these options like 5G on, 5G auto, LTE, and then 5G standalone. For some users, the 5G standalone is not working. It is kind of blurred out, and when you actually turn it on, you will see the prompt that says the 5G standalone may affect the battery life, where it will be forcing your iPhone system to use for all the system services and for all the apps usage. The default signal will be the 5G, and that may cause some extra battery consumption. When you set the voice and data option to 5G auto, then it will switch based on with the type of apps that you normally use, like whether for video streaming or for normal text messages and calls. It will automatically switch and do some saving of the battery. When you navigate to the LTE option, you won't see that 5G standalone feature as it uses the 4G signal. Basically, the very first troubleshooting you need to do is to change your SIM card if it is a physical SIM card, and this solution is not applicable for eSIM. And if you're using the physical SIM card and it's been like a couple of years or more, it is time to change your SIM card. Some users, after a certain software update, they may face no SIM or no signal problem at times, and changing the SIM card by visiting the mobile network showroom does help most of the time. And if you're still facing the problem, the second important troubleshooting step is, like, if the SIM card is new or you're using eSIM, then you have to contact your mobile network customer care and inform about the problem. They will perform any reset or any settings change that is required from their side after a couple of days. If you have complained it today, then give at least a couple of days time and then perform a simple restart of your iPhone, and then you can see the 5G standalone toggle is working normally. As I think that both the Airtel and Jio is kind of in a super beta stage where they have rolled out this feature in too much hurry without proper testing and deployment, is what I actually feel. So not just iPhone users, even Android users who were using the 5G also not getting good reception in most of the cities that they have launched 5G service. And it may take few weeks time at least to see more areas getting good 5G coverage. It is not a problem related to your iOS software or your iPhone. I hope these couple of tips helped you to fix the 5G standalone problem, also to understand why it is happening. Thank you so much for watching. For any iPhone related problems, don't forget to search our channel once to find the solution faster. Thank you and have a wonderful day.